Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss Laravel Authentication with Laravel JetStream. Let's go. Go to Laravel documentation and how to install Laravel project. This requirement is mandatory and Laravel installer upgrade version is mandatory. So I will check Laravel installer. Open your terminal or PowerShell. If you use Windows computer, press Shift button and mouse right key. Open PowerShell window here and type Laravel-B. Enter. Laravel installer 3.0.1. I will check Laravel version. Search Google Laravel installer latest version. Press enter. Go to Laravel installer GitHub repository and show release note latest 4.0.5. So how to upgrade this version? Type Composer Global Update. Press enter. Composer update success. Check Laravel version 3.2. Not update. Don't worry. At first remove old Laravel installer version. Type Composer Global remove Laravel installer. Press enter. Remove successful. Then install new version. Composer Global require Laravel installer. Press enter. Install successful. Check again Laravel version. Laravel installer 4.0.5. Now go to Laravel documentation and if you want to create Laravel project with logging, registration and more features, already will install you. Laravel JetStream. Laravel JetStream. Go to Laravel JetStream website and click installing JetStream. Laravel new project name. Simple. Type Laravel new project name Laravel 8 and hyphen jet. Press enter. What is your prefer, Lightware or Initial.js? I first prefer Lightware. Press 0. Press enter. Will your application use Steam? Yeah. Yes. Press enter. Take more time. It's take long time, but install successful. Okay. Go to app. Laravel JetStream version 1.4 and wow. And installing Laravel Scanteam 2.6.0 and Laravel Lightware. It's very cool. Okay, now run this command npm install and npm run dev. Go to our project Laravel 8 and open that PowerShell terminal. Npm install, hit enter and npm run dev, hit enter. Okay, compile, finish and go to project. This project is open code editor, VS Code. This file structure is very good and env.env, Laravel 8 database name, MySQL, localhost root Okay, everything is good, but I will change this section local host. Save and close, and go to database folder, migrations. Lots of migration already created. Create user, password, two-factor authentication, fill jobs, personal access token, teams, user table, session. I will open a new terminal, run this command, php artisan migrate. Hit enter, go to config, database, collision, MySQL, change the collision, save, and try again. PHP artisan migrate, hit enter, delete some table, drop and drop, try again. PHP artisan migrate, hit enter, migrate successful. Okay, then start the development server. PHP artisan serve, the development server already start. Follow the link. The school Laravel project is run. Click login. The login from very nice. I will open the some file, config and down 45 and open JetStream and comment some features. Okay, save and go to home page and reload. Register button is gone. Why? Login, login and type register, hit enter. It's not found. Register not found. Why? Go to 45.php file and comment out this line and save. Reload this page. Well, and go to login form and now let's see the login form. This matching some feature 45.php and reset password feature reset password is uncommon and save. Reload, forget your password. School, this feature is open. Email, okay, very cool. Create a new user, type your name .com, password and register. Confirm password does not match. Okay, register button again. Password must be 8 character. Okay, register button again. Wow, it is the dashboard. Profile, nice feature. Change the name, email, but missing the some features. No problem, I will explain to you. Upload photo and comments, JetStream.php, profile photos and comments, and reload the page. Wow, image, select your new photo. Okay, select these photos and save. Cool, very cool. And others features this uncommons and explain is API and teams. And so save this project and reload. All feature is activate. So update password, password change, new password, current password, new password, confirm password is update password features. And two-factor authentication. Click the enable button, press confirm password, continue. Okay, confirm. It is very cool. Two features is available. Scan QR code, your own authenticator application, this cool. And another way, recovery code. This is very important for us. One code only one time available. So this recovery code and copy and save your secret place. Okay, and browser session, and I will on the login does another browser like Firefox and login admin email, the code authentication code required. Use the recovery code. I will use recovery code. Any code, this recover login. It's very simple, but session, browser session to browser, Windows EGD, Firefox, this device. Very cool. So log out another browser session, click current password, enter, is gone. Go to another browser and reload, this logout. This is very nice features. So I admin email, use recovery code. This code, this is the same code, use the again, click login. Oops, something went wrong. On recovery code only use one time. So use the another recovery code. Recovery code space login. Yeah, login success. If you change your recovery code profile and show the recovery code, enter password, enter, and generate recovery codes. Again and again, no limits. So it's very nice. Delete account features, and other features is your profile icon and API tokens, team, create new team. This current team is MDs, first name team. Very nice. You will create new team and manage team setting, add member, editor, administrator, and many roles, and create many roles. Laravel JetStream is many feature included Laravel 8. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, get the notification latest video.